and I'm going to talk to you about the origins of accounting. Some of you may think that accountants are just the guy that sits at the desk and does your taxes and tells you how much you owe to the government. But I'm going to tell you how it started. I'm going to read a passage to you from, not a passage, but I'm going to read to you from one of my sources what they said. It is believed that the very origins of writing itself may have developed out of the early marks used to keep an account of goods at ancient warehouses more than 5,300 years ago. So before people were passing notes and the written language of writing things, people actually were counting the assets they have. And assets are things you actually own. So like if they had berries or stuff, they'd write it on cave walls. The notion that pre-numerical counting systems predated writing comes at no surprise. Bookkeepers in ancient Egypt used bone labels attached to bags of oil to keep records. And if they didn't keep accurate records, they were severely punished. And I was actually looking up on the internet how they were severely punished, but it never really said. But one guy said that he was actually buried alive. In the 19th century, Queen Victoria started a society called Chartered Accountants. And they actually sent them to the US to audit British investments. And to go back a little bit, in the 14th century, Luca Paciolo, also known as the father of modern accounting, started the double-ended accounting, which is credits and debits. Credits are things like a liability account, and debits are things that are actually assets that you own. And some of the accountants from Scotland, where Queen Victoria sent them, they started the AICPA, which is one of the oldest CPA firms, and it predates back to Scotland. Some of the rules that accountants follow are to keep legal, accurate accounts, and rules were enforced and had to be followed. Firms had to counsel clients on how to save their money and also how to protect them from embezzlement and illegal practices. And I also wanted to tell you some of the tools they actually had to use in accounting predates. They used to have a thing called an abacus, which is the thing with little marbles on it, and it had like 5 little stores on it. And when they'd count, they'd move the little marbles over. And in closing, I wanted to tell you there are only 2 certainties in life: death and taxes.